Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, owner and founder of Pain Free Performance, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your back pain with this band. So we're going to get right into it, and I'll talk as we go through the exercises. So what we're going to do first is put it around our feet, and then we're going to walk to one side about 10 steps. The reason we're doing this is we're always moving in a front and back motion and never a side to side motion or a rotation motion. So by activating your lateral movers, you actually reduce compensatory patterns or compensation patterns, allowing you better control of your hip complex as well as your lower back. So you want to do this about 10 steps each direction 3 times a day. After you do that, you're going to then do a diagonal walk. So do a diagonal walk, out to the side, back, out to the side, back. And then you're going to do that walk backwards. You may feel some burning in your hip or your side, or feel some muscles you haven't used in a while. And again, because we're using that full hip complex to help reduce compensation through that lower back. Once you're done with that, you're going to bring it up above your knees. Just to make sure it's nice and even. All right, now you're going to get in an athletic stance, and you're going to walk side to side slowly. This one you're going to be a little bit stronger. The first one's going to be the hardest. This one's going to be probably the easiest. You can go back the other direction. Again, you want to do 10 steps in each direction. All right, then you're going to stop and you're going to put it around your ankles. And then we're going to do the same thing again. And back. So those are 3 exercises you can do. Just keep doing it. 3 exercises you can do to help with your lower back pain. Again, because we're never really moving in these side-to-side angles, we don't really have strength there, and we tend to compensate through the lower back. So by doing this and strengthening those lateral movers, your abductors, you're able to get more control of your lumbopelvic complex.